Good day. So, upgrade to the Winchester Coop. When this started 4 years back, I believe it was 4.5 years, we had it just like this. And every Wednesday I was scraping this out, and every Sunday I was scraping and pressure washing it out with that little machine right there. Now, Mom had the idea. 24 inch by 24 inch packing paper from Home Depot. It's like $18 for 250 of them. I'm not sure what it is, but it's really, really cheap. And that worked really well for about a year, where I would come out and put a couple down. Then on Wednesday, I would clear them out. Put more in. Sunday, pressure wash, clear them out, pressure wash, put them back in and go. Then I thought, let's get some cheap plastic bags. Kind of like these ones. 30-gallon bags. And that worked phenomenal. Because what I would do is come out here every night when I gave them treats or checked on them at 6 o'clock. I would just put another piece of paper on top of it. And then on Wednesday, you just pull the bag off, turn it inside out, and it ends up kind of like that. But I still had to put one piece of paper in every night. And that was kind of like, okay, let's figure this out. So let me show you what I did now. Here's the upgrade. So we went to Home Depot looking for a grading system. And what I found was these racks right here. These are 24 by 48 shelving racks. I use these things for the extra layers on the chicken coops. I use them for quite a few things in here. So Chatty Cathy over there is talking to me, but I've got it busy. So now these two 24 by 48s zip tied together actually snap in there. They're not loose. They don't really move. They're actually made for this. So now I can actually eliminate probably the paper now and put cat litter, sand, straw, because they can't scratch at it. Something more absorbent in there, which will help the cleanliness. Look at this nutcase thinking she's a chimney sweep walking on the roof. Craziness. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I say, it's called the Winchester Coop for a reason, because we're always upgrading, always improving. This keeps the girls from coming in and having to worry about putting fresh paper in, so when they come in to go to bed, they have a clean place to walk on. The poop will go through, no problems. I'm gonna have to pressure wash now on Sundays again, but it shouldn't be a problem. It should be pretty good. So just thought I'd share this, guys. Stay safe, have a wonderful day, and a safe week ahead.